So I've been, as I said, experiencing some trouble after 2020 when I stopped working out. I stopped working out due to COVID because the gyms closed down. After about 4 or 5 months, I started experiencing general discomfort, tension, a lot of tension. Teeth grinding got worse. I think it is also because of tension. What else? And I started experiencing some more problems not related to my back or my movement, gastrointestinal system. I think mainly. Yeah, I think that pretty much sums up my being here.
Okay, so let's summarize things. So basically, you flew all from Kazakhstan to over here.
Kyrgyzstan.
Huh?
Kyrgyzstan.
Oh, Kyrgyzstan.
It's a neighboring country.
Okay, my apologies. Okay, so you flew all from Kyrgyzstan.
Yeah.
Okay. You also deal with Bruxism, which is grinding the teeth.
Yes.
Okay, and that happens almost every night.
Almost
right?
every night, yes.
And you also got GERD.
GERD, yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Gastritis, but I don't think it's related to...
No, it's all connected. So when I hear a case in regards to Bruxism, grinding the teeth at night, in addition to the gastritis and also the GERD, well, neurologically speaking is this, usually there's some kind of misalignment to the upper cervical resulting into causing the teeth to grind. Now looking at the atlas itself, it should be leveled like here, but no, it's tilted this way over here. And also rotated. So if you rotate it so much, you're gonna cause your teeth to grind as well. All right. And in addition to looking over here, this region over here, everything is like recompensating from here all the way due to what's going on down below. Down below, you rotate it so much this way and sunken down this way as well. And this sacrum over here, it went backwards. So as a result of that, that's what causes your whole entire spine to twist like this. And number 8, recompensate by going opposite direction. So when we start addressing this fellow over here, realign back to normal, close to normal alignment as much as possible, I would not be surprised if 6 dorsal over here starts showing up. And the reason why is because this particular nerve over here usually innervates the stomach. Now the stomach itself, as the viewer can see, this fellow over here is sticking like a sore thumb. It shouldn't be this big. It should be that tiny over here. All right. But instead, we see it this big over here with the sphincter wide open because this is your small intestines. Everything's being dumped right in there. Same thing over here. Okay. Everything's being dumped right over there. So that's what we need to address this nerve function, restore it, get it back to again, close out that valve, and get this fellow over here have less gas over there, and also help with the gastritis as well. This nerve over here deals with the stomach. So there are 2 sphincters. We know these 2 very well. Okay, I'm sorry, we know this one very well. So if this sphincter is wide open, all the gastric acid comes right back up our throat, and we get heartburn. Okay. At the moment, it seems to be closed upon that X-ray we just saw over there, but this is wide open over here. So why is that a problem? Well, if the nerve is down below here and it's not allowing your large intestines to function properly, okay, we're talking it slows things down, and we covered during a consultation that you have constipation where you only have pretty much you have bowel movements like every other day. Actually, how often you have bowel movements again?
Not often.
Like define how, not often. Like once every what?
2 times, 3 times a week?
2 or 3 times a week.
Yeah.
Okay, so clearly that's constipation, and this fellow over here is not moving as well as it should. So as a result, it causes the bacteria and the yeast to have more extra time to break down the nutrients in the fecal material itself. The byproduct is going to be gas. So all that gas, what it does is just like a sewer gas coming up to the kitchen sink. It went up all the plumbing, and then it finally got stuck right, went right past the sphincter and got stuck over there, and that's why we call it a medium blast. Okay, so that's what the solution is going to be. We're going to start realigning the spine, restore the nerve function. We're going to start closing up this gate over here, right? And also deal with this over here to help untwist the atlas, get rid of that Bruxism you got there. So visualization, what we got here, so we got some muscle spasms over here, some swelling, same story over here. And we got something protruding over here. A little bit over here. Quite a bit over there. Alright, so all we're doing right now is confirming all these levels, and that's what this fellow's showing up right there. Yep, this is right there. Got it. How's that feel right there?
Feels stuck.
Yeah. Yeah, how's that feel right there? Or this one?
This one is, this one hurts.
Right there. Okay, this may or may not readapt. Okay. Oh, you got one heck of a swelling and knot right there. Look, right there. Come on. Good. Oh, a little more.
I feel great already after this one. I felt like so much tension has been relieved.
Good. Any other changes you notice?
I feel like I'm straighter, it's easier for me to keep like straight posture. Neck, I think I will feel it when I sit in front of my computer, because after I sit for 30 minutes, I already want to self-correct. But now I feel like tension is relief, but I think when I like sit in front of the computer, I will notice a big difference. For now, it's my upper back, like it's more loose.
You notice any difference with your stomach, or gas, or bloating, or anything with your digestive system?
Usually I feel heavy. Yeah, I feel lighter, like lighter in every sense. Yeah.
All right, excellent. Give us the latest updates. How's everything coming along?
So in terms of bruxism, I don't notice it, but people who I live with, they are the ones who are suffering. They haven't been complaining. So
Oh, that's great improvement right there.
yes. In terms of constipation, okay, after adjustment, I went to toilet twice. So I guess that's a sign of improvement. On overall, I feel better.
Good. How's digestion itself?
Digestion feels better. Like overall, feels better.
Nice, great. All right, well, thank you for the updates.